Welcome. In front of me is a Nothing Phone 1, and today I will show you how you can put this device into recovery mode. So, to get started, you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time and select power off. Now once the device turns off, again hold power key and volume up. When you see this little thing on the screen, you can let go of these keys, and then while holding power key, press volume up once, and I just... oops, that kind of messed it up. When you need to get past the little Android by pressing, holding power key and pressing volume up, but it looks like when I was letting go of it, it accepted reboot system now as a command, which looks like it can happen by mistake. So I'm gonna do that once more. So for you the device also reboots. Know that this is the kind of like oversight, I guess, of the programming or whatever. So again, power key, volume up. I'm gonna grab the phone just so I can, there we go, do it quicker. And as you can see, we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode you will need to use the volume keys to confirm whatever is selected. As you probably already expect, power key will be used to confirm whatever you actually selected. So I think I just said that twice. So navigate with volume keys. Anyway, from here we have reboot system now, which as you also seen, does reboot the device. Then we have reboot to bootloader, which will take us to bootloader. We have enter fastboot mode. Same premise, takes you to fastboot mode. Then we have apply updates from ADB or SD card. We have wipe data factory reset, so reset of the device. Mount system, view logs along with running tests on the device, graphic and normal ones, and power off the device. So that's basically what we have right here, and I'm going to be leaving this mode, so I will stick with reboot system now, confirm it, and this will now take me back to Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.